Thank you so much for that. So some more gains could be coming in for Jeera prices in coming days. The arrivals, of course, have been on the lower side, and some more gains around 5 to 10% is what you can expect in the prices there. Let's go to our guest then, and Chirag Kabani, technical analyst, AskChirag.com, now joins us live in our Mumbai studios here. Chirag, hi, welcome to the show. There has been lots that has been happening in the currency and commodity space. Of course, after that intervention in Japan and from the Swiss Central Bank, we have seen a bit of a profit taking come in case of other safe haven commodities as in gold and silver as well. Especially in gold, are you looking at this as an opportunity to buy, or do you think there could be some more correction coming?
I would be looking at the opportunities to buy in silver on dips, but not for a longer period of time. I think so more upside of 2 or 3% is left in gold and silver. After that, we could see a sharp correction in both the commodities.
In gold, what kind of a correction levels are you looking at? Do you see it slipping as low as 16.25, or do you think another $10 to $15 would be enough?
1635 would be a good support. From there, I'm expecting a rise back again till $1,700 psychological level. That would be an important resistance. Till the time we don't get a weekly close above 1716, I'm expecting then a good correction coming back in the gold prices in the short term.
How about silver, Chirag? Because we've seen it go above $41 in the markets. Do you see some sustainability coming in that one as well?
See, when I look at the larger charts of silver, it is still in the bearish mode only. It is just this is just a corrective pullback which could go up till $43 on the COMEX. From those levels, I'm expecting a quite sharp reversal in silver prices.
What kind of cues really are you taking from the ECB meeting? We still are awaiting an announcement from that one. You have the US non-farm payroll data coming out tomorrow in the markets. What are your expectations? How do you see the markets closing before the weekend?
I think so there could be pullback in the commodity prices at end of the day, because all the commodities are at a oversold zone, base metals especially, and crude is also almost at 2 weeks low again. So I think so crude would also take support around at $90 and bounce back again. Copper is also oversold. It could bounce back in MCX again till 428 or 431 levels.
There also is this sentiment about US coming out with a QE3 or further stimulus could be coming in, and that is one sentiment that has supported the commodities in the last couple of days. What kind of views are you getting it when you look at that report?
See, everyone's talking about QE3, but the commodity prices are not showing such kind of movements that they are expecting QE3 in a very short span of time. So till the time clear clues are not coming up, commodities are in a bearish mode till that time.
You did speak about crude and how it could take some support at $90 a barrel, but we have seen a very sharp decline coming from nearly $100 in the last week to nearly 91 at this point in time. Are you looking at it oversold on the charts, or do you think that the hurricane season and the kind of selling that it has seen, there could be some buying coming in at these levels?
See, for the past 2 months, crude has been trading in a range of $88 on the downside and $104 on the upside. I'm expecting it to continue to trade in the same range for almost like next 4 or 5 weeks before we could see a larger downtrend again onto it.
Also, the WTI and the Brent crude margins or the discounts went up to nearly $22.50 a couple of days back. Are you seeing that pattern continue, or do you think there could be some narrowing happening there?
I don't think so much of narrowing happening on that. The same discounts and the premiums would continue on both of them.
And to the base metals then, and copper prices were trading at a 3-week lows yesterday, are down nearly 3% for this current week. Do you see some buying happening at these levels, because the Chile or the Escondida strike has entered into a 12th straight day? Do you see that supporting the prices?
That is only actually supporting the prices at this point of time, or else all other base metals have corrected more than 7 to 8% in the last week. At this point of time, copper is slightly oversold on the hourly chart, so a small pullback till 428, 431 is expected on copper, but till the time prices are trading below 435 on MCX, the larger targets on the downside for 410 are open.
How about the nickel prices, Chirag? Because that has been one metal that has been quite supportive in the recent days, despite what's the data that has been coming in from China, or what people are talking about the steel demand or steel prices. Nickel actually has held on.
Yes, nickel is quite strong on the charts at this point of time, but it is a part of the consolidation pattern of the larger downtrend. I'm expecting it to consolidate in the range of 1030 on MCX on the downside, and on the upside 1110. This consolidation could continue for more 2 or 3 weeks before it heads lower again.
All right, we'll come back to commodities soon, but Pawan Goenka is talking about